Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video effects to certain layers on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to select cutout and auto cutout. So I have like a subject and a background here. For instance, I only want to add the effects to the background only or on the overlay only. So I want to select this blur and apply it just to the background. I'm going to select it and I'm going to place it inside of the background here. I'm just going to adjust the blur a little bit. And for instance, I want to place this only on the overlay. Again, if you place it on top, it will also be applied to your background. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to place it only on the overlay. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.